Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make caramel pudding. So let's start. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Here I have half liter milk, 5 tablespoons of sugar and 3 tablespoons of sugar for caramel, 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 5 egg yolks. Now let's make the caramel. Here I have 1 tablespoon of water in the pan. We'll add the sugar. Our caramel is done. This is the color which you need to get for the caramel. Now we'll prepare the milk mixture. First we'll whisk the eggs. Now we'll add it in the milk. We'll whisk it. Now we'll add the sugar. We'll whisk it till all the sugar is dissolved. Now we'll add the butter. And vanilla extract. Whisk. Our mixture is ready. Now we'll pour it in the caramelized tin. Here I have pan with water and stand in it. Now we'll place the tin inside. Cover it. Again we'll cover it and cook it on a medium flame for 1 hour. Our caramel pudding is done now. Once it is cooked, allow it to rest for 2 hours. Then we need to unmold it. Our caramel pudding is ready. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.